Hey, BrainBeats crew! Today, we're diving into an extraordinary marine spectacle that recently unfolded off California's Central Coast. In late January 2025, Captain Evan Brodsky of Monterey Bay Whale Watch captured stunning drone footage of a superpod of over 1,500 Risso's dolphins in Carmel Bay. These dolphins, known for their stocky bodies and bulbous heads, typically travel in groups of 10 to 30, making this massive gathering exceptionally rare. Marine biologist Colleen Talty, part of a team tracking migrating gray whales, observed the dolphins' playful behaviors, including breaching, tail slapping, and bow riding alongside the boat. The pod consisted of both adult and juvenile dolphins, suggesting multiple smaller groups had converged. The Monterey coastline's deep waters, due to an underwater submarine canyon, provide an ideal habitat for Risso's dolphins, allowing them to swim closer to shore than usual. Initially underestimating the pod's size, the team was astounded upon viewing the drone footage, revealing dolphins stretching to the horizon. They navigated carefully to avoid disturbing the animals, ensuring a respectful and awe-inspiring encounter. This event offers a rare glimpse into the social behaviors of Risso's dolphins and highlights the rich biodiversity along California's coast. Stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll catch you next time on BrainBeats.